First of all, make sure your MetaQuest 2 is on the latest firmware update. Turn on your headset and open up the MetaQuest app and select your Quest 2 headset. Select Headset Settings, then Controllers, and then Pair New Controllers. You have to pair them individually, so first select the right controller. Now you need to put the Quest Pro controllers into pairing mode, and to do this, on the right controller, press the Oculus button and the B button at the same time. You have to hold these buttons in for 4 seconds and then the controller will subtly vibrate. Let go and the pairing process will complete. Now select Pair Left controller, and on the left controller you have to hold the menu button and the Y button in at the same time. To pair these controllers to the Quest 2 headset, it will unpair the original Quest 2 controllers. So if for whatever reason you need to repair these, then go through the same process but with the Quest 2 controllers. And if you've got a Quest Pro headset and you want to use your Pro controllers with your Pro headset, then you'll have to repair these with your Pro headset. Please subscribe for more VR tips and I'll see you in the next video.